embracing the messy, I just got out of bed and I don't care and I'm wearing an oversized t-shirt kind of hair. So today I'm going to be showing you a few ways to edit your photos in picsart. So the first photo is a photo that has been requested to have a tutorial for a really long time, and that is the Saturn eye edit. It's actually the most easy edit I've ever done, so I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing you do is take a picture of your eye. Make sure your eyes are not halfway closed or something like that. Make sure they're actually really open so we can see your eye clearly. I took this photo of my eye a few months back. So we open picsart, and first you will get a few ads if you're not a premium member. They have a lot of stickers. You have this entire library of stickers, but what you want to search for is Saturn eye. You will get a few options and a few edits, but you want to select the clear Saturn one. Then you can zoom in and you can put it over your eye. You can size it, you can stretch it a little bit so it fits your eye perfectly. Then in the tools above you have a little eraser, so you can erase any part of the sticker that does not fit your eye anymore. And there you have it! It's actually this easy. If you want it to stand out a little bit more, you can adjust it. You can adjust the contrast and the brightness, maybe turn up the highlights a little bit, maybe turn them down a little bit. But that's basically it. That's how easy it is, and then you just press apply and you click save, and then save picture on device. And now it's saved to your photos. So the next picture is a picture of me in a dressing room that I edited to be more like spacey, have some galaxy in there. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So to start off, we're going back into stickers and we're going to search for planets. This gives me a lot of options on planets, and I mostly like planets that look very realistic, like this Saturn one. Now if you want to be extra, you can add some Milky Ways or some clouds. I really like to search for cloud aesthetic. Now I'm gonna make this edit really dramatic, so we're also gonna be adding some stars. Now with any sticker, if you want to erase something, you just click the eraser and you can erase anything you want. Now you might get this warning that says you've reached your limit on images. What I do then is just apply it, and then you can go in with your stickers again. You can really do this with any picture. I just did a picture that I took in a dressing room, but you can do this with a picture of you and your friends, or maybe just a selfie. I love adding planets mostly. I really dig the planet aesthetic. The next picture is also really simple. All you need for this is really just one sticker and a picture of you. For this, I just took a picture of me sitting on my bed, and you want to face the camera, of course. So you want to go into stickers and you want to search for television. Now you get multiple televisions. You can choose if you want something different. You can maybe add this one if you're looking a bit to the side. This one is also very retro. Then you just add it onto the picture. And there you have it. So the next one I'm gonna explain to you is difficult, so stay with me here. What you need to do for this is take two pictures. I took one in the mirror and I took the second one also in the mirror. And I took one normal selfie and one selfie with my hand touching my face. Now that particular day I had painted something on my hand for a amino story, and my hand was so painted, so that's why I wanted to do something with it. But you can also do this when your hand is just your normal hand. So we're gonna take the two pictures and edit the one that does not have a hand on your face. And then we're gonna go to add photo and we're gonna select a picture that does have a hand on our face. We're gonna make it the same size as the picture we're editing, and then we're gonna grab the eraser and erase everything except our hands. Now, this might seem a little weird at first because your picture is probably taken from slightly different angles, but stay with me. You just need your hand to be cut out of the picture. And then eventually you will have something that looks like this. I just click apply, and then I also, to make it a little bit more interesting, added some stickers. And the last edit is really just a simple edit that I do for a lot of my Instagram stories, and that is making a Polaroid edit. Really just playing out with stickers and different colors. So I love making collages of my day, maybe something to say goodnight. And I love making like little Polaroids in it. So I'm gonna show you how to make a Polaroid edit. So I'm just starting out with a pastel pink background, and then I'm gonna be adding my pictures. I made this shell choker a few weeks ago, and a video on how to make this will be up very soon. But I want to show off my new shell choker. We're going to stickers, and then you type in Polaroid frame. This gives you a lot of options, but the one I really like is this one. And then we're gonna add some more of my recent stickers. I really like the sticker with the creation of Adam because I recently painted that painting, and I feel like that's just a really cool sticker to put in there. Something that I really search for a lot in the search bar is vintage stickers. If you search for vintage stickers, you will get so many stickers in so many different cool things. And something you can also search for is yellow vintage aesthetic, orange vintage aesthetic, vintage text aesthetic. And you can just play around with the worst aesthetic of vintage to find the pictures and stickers that you're looking for. These are one of my proudest collages that I've made in the last couple of months. Maybe you can use this for a little bit of inspiration for your collages. I really hope you liked this video. I know you guys have been asking me to do a tutorial on this for a very long time now. So yeah, I also really love my new backdrop. Let me know what you think of it. I feel like this could be my new cozy YouTube corner. Before I go, I wanted to announce that I want to make some extra summer money this summer by editing some videos for you guys, or maybe some banners, some intros. I know a lot of you guys love my editing style, and I really want to share my editing skills with you guys. So if you want me to make a banner, a intro, edit an entire video for you, or something else, you can email me at hi@pasteljillia@gmail.com. So if you're interested, then let me know and I can start editing for you. I will see you guys next time. Bye!